Here we have an installation where the customer has selected this distinct, they're called distinct flare, this swirly pattern, and we're going to install two different colors. This bright white color in the bedroom, and then she picked this kind of cocoa color, and we're going to make up runners for the top hall and runners for the steps and platforms and install them custom. So we have the material in and we're getting ready to cut and bind it. And here we have the rugs custom cut, ready to fit in the hall and stairs. We have the platforms and separate pieces for the steps. Here, 16-foot long runner in the top hallway. Another section for the 9 straight steps. So we're getting ready to get the binding machine out and binding all the sides. And here is the completed project with this custom runner with this swirl design running over the platform. We're going up the steps. Over on this top platform, as you can see, the pattern is continuing across these next 2 steps, up over on this platform, and then we have a runner running the length of this whole hallway here. So all of this matches with a 27-inch custom sized runner and the steps. At the same time, the customer has picked this same pattern, but in this beautiful off-white color in the master bedroom. Stunning. A little bit extra work to get this pattern to match. If you could see that pattern design in this master bedroom. So this completes this project. If you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery where you could see more videos of other categories of flooring. And while you're there, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.